Hey everyone, my name is Jeff Brown and welcome to my course Deploying and Managing Microsoft Teams Endpoints. I am a Windows system engineer that has spent my career focusing on Microsoft technologies, and lately I've been working with their newest collaboration product, Microsoft Teams, which is the fastest growing service in Office 365. In this course, we are going to cover the different clients and endpoints available to connect to the Microsoft Teams service. While you may think there's just a desktop or mobile client, there is also a vast ecosystem of devices that can extend and enhance the Microsoft Teams experience, all the way from a desk phone to the conference room. Some of the topics we will cover include understanding what desktop and mobile clients are available, including how to install and manage them, managing Teams phone devices so you can best fit the needs of your users, and how to bring the Teams meeting experience into the conference room with collaboration bars and room systems. By the end of this course, you'll have a solid foundation to get started deploying and managing Teams endpoints in your environment. Before beginning the course, you should already be familiar working in the Microsoft 365 Admin Center and the Teams Admin Center. You should also be comfortable working with PowerShell, as we'll take a look at management capabilities there. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn about Microsoft Teams with the Deploying and Managing Microsoft Teams Endpoints course here at Pluralsight.